Hiring a professional graphic designer to create a t-shirt design for you can be very expensive. This can reach between $100 to $500. Okay, and not everybody that just starting out with their print-on-demand business has this cash to splash into the graphic design process of their t-shirt. Okay, so that's why in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a professional-looking t-shirt design totally for free. Okay, so the tool we're going to be using for this is Canva. Okay, so you can head over to canva.com and create your account with canva.com. It's a very easy process. Once you get to canva.com, you're going to see at the top here where it says sign up. So you go ahead and sign up to canva.com, and this is how your home screen is going to look when you are done creating your account. So here, once you're done creating your account, you can either go with their free plan or with their pro plan. So that's why I said this tool is for free. Okay, so here what you want to do is type in t-shirt. Okay, you want to type t-shirt. Okay, so you go with this option, you click on it. So they're going to show you different templates that you can work with. Okay, so you have different templates you can work with. If you are doing a t-shirt for moms, okay, you can go with this one. If you are doing a t-shirt for hope, you can go with this one. You can do a t-shirt for the asteroids, then you can go with this one. So the option is, you see, you have a lot of options to go with here. Okay, so let's say we want to go with this first one. Okay, t-shirt for mom. So here you can also hit here and just click create a blank template. Okay, so you start completely blank. Okay, so you don't have anything on your template here. So but it's still the same process because you're still going to see the options over here. Okay, so what you want to do is, if this is what you want, then you can select this and it automatically shows up here. Okay, so here this is the image, and here you can see there are other options for this. You see different color variations, and this one also different. So let's say I love this one, so let's go with this. Okay, so if this is the title for your t-shirt, okay, then you can leave it at this. But if this is not what you want to appear on your t-shirt, then you can go ahead and change this. So how do you do this? Just click on this and you double click on it. Then you can say maybe let's say amazing mom. Okay, so here what you want to do is you want to extend this. Okay, then what you can reduce the font size. Okay, so that it fits on one line. Okay, so here we have two, so delete that. Okay, so you can move this in, then click on the screen, then bring this over here. So let's say this is what you want to appear on your design. Okay, so this is mom. If you want to move this up, just click on it, then use your arrow keys on your keyboard and move them up and down. Then the image, then if you want to change this, you want to change the color of this, okay, just select the text, then come to this place, then you can change it to red, okay, to black, okay, to black. Okay, so that's how you change the color. Just hit on it, then click on this, then you can change the color, okay, to whatever color you want. Okay, so that's how you change the color. Okay, then if you have your own specific image that you want to use, you can just come to upload, and you upload your image. Okay, and it's gonna appear here. Okay, so once you click on upload file, it takes you to your desktop or your laptop. Then you can select the image you want. Okay, so let's say you want to use this, just double click on it, it automatically imports it. Okay, so you can see this is it here. Okay, then you can just click on it and it's going to appear here. Okay, so you have to delete this mom image. Okay, well, this is not a mom image, so we're going to delete this one. Okay, so if you are done, if this is how you want the design to look, you have done all the edits, you've changed the wordings on the t-shirt design. If this is not the image you want to use, you can change this. You can also change it. Just click on it, delete it, then bring in your upload your own image, and that's it. Okay, so once you're done with all that, make sure your background color is white. Okay, make sure it's white. This is why you select it. So if it's black, you want to change it to white. Okay, so whichever template you use, once your template or background color is a different color, make sure you change it to white. Okay, then you now come over here where it says share. You click on share, then you come to download. Okay, download option, then here you want to select the PNG. Okay, so that the design has a transparent background, so that any background they place it on is going to that will be the background. Okay, so if you have a pink background, then the background for the design is going to be pink, because this image does not have any background of its own. Okay, just a transparent background and just this text, this mommy and the son. Okay, or and the daughter, I think it's the daughter here, then with the flowers. Okay, so make sure you click on transparent background. Okay, transparent background. As you can see, this option is only available for the pro plan. Okay, so if it's not a pro plan, you can't save as a transparent background. Okay, with Canva. Okay, so you have to opt in for the pro plan to save as a transparent background. Okay, and if you don't have enough cash for that, you can still save it. Then you just go to, you give it to, if you are good with using Adobe Photoshop, you can easily remove the background. Okay, or you can send it to your printer. If you are using the in-house print company, then you can send it to them, they will remove the background for you. But if you are using something like a company like Printify or Printful, then you have to remove the background yourself. Okay, because I don't think they have an option on the platform to remove the background for you. Okay, so you have to remove the background yourself. So that's why I say it's advisable to go with the pro plan. So you just do everything directly from this place. Then you can increase the size of the design. Okay, always go with the larger size, or you can just extend it to this. Okay, always go with the larger size, so that when it is being reduced, the size is reduced, then you still have great amazing quality. And if the size of the image is enlarged, you still have amazing quality. But if you have a small size image, if it's expanded, then you're going to have a bad quality at the end of the day. Okay, so once you're done with that, you just hit on download here. Okay, and it automatically downloads your image for you onto your desktop, and that is how you create an amazing t-shirt design. Okay, for $0. Okay, so once that is done, it's gonna save on your desktop in a zip file. So all you want to do is, once this is now completely downloaded, you just double click on this, it opens up, then you extract the file. Okay, so let me do that for you, so I'll show you how to do it. So you just click on that, it opens up, then these are the files. These are the files. Then you just come to extract to, then you select the place you want to extract to. Sorry, Alex. Then you select where you want to extract the file. This, just click OK, and that's it. Extracts to that folder on your desktop, and that is it, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video to the very end, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe, so and hit that notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so you get notified whenever I post amazing videos like this. Okay, thank you guys, and do have a lovely day and keep winning.